more than that. You need to leave a good 6 inches or so. So what we need to do then is we have the short end here, as I said, and all we do is we make a loop like that. So we've got the long wool is the top of the loop. You can see there, the long bit of wool is the top of the loop, and then the long strand of wool is here. The short strand is there. Okay, the short strand is the underneath bit of this cross where the two meet. So what you're going to do is just hold that where the two meet, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put your hook down through the hoop, and you're going to maneuver that long strand so that it's over your hook. You see how that's over the hook, and all you do then is you pull it up, sorry, back through the hoop, and then take your ends and pull, and that's your slip knot. It's a slip knot because it moves, tightens and loosens like that. Yep, so that's your slip knot. So let's have another go. And also, when you take it off the hook and pull it, it comes undone. So short strand in your left hand, or right hand if you're left-handed, and then make a loop with the short strand on the bottom. Okay. Hold that there where the two meet, and then we're going to put our hook down into the hoop and maneuver it so it moves this side of the long strand of yarn. Put your hook under it and pull that up through, and then take your two ends and pull tight, and there's your slip knot. So let's do it again. So short side in your non-hook hand, and then create a loop with the long yarn on top, and then hold it where the two meet there, and then we're going to go down into the hoop. So my hook is through the hoop, you can see there, it's under that, through that hook, and then we can go under the long strand of wool and pull it up, and then pull the two ends tight. Once more. So short end in your non-hook hand, create a loop, that was on the top, and then put your hook down through the hoop, so you've got the long strand of wool in the middle like that, over the top of the hook, and then pull that up through and pull it tight. There you go.